So you're looking at the two filament dry boxes. One is from Sunlu and one is from whoever. It's an actual oven, like a small oven. I have some gripes with the Sunlu Filament drying box. Alright, now that's to make sure this is visible in the video. So, first of all, the timer on the box, it never times out the proper amount of time. So now it's set for 10 hours, it will shut off in 2 hours, 4 hours, whatever you have. It will do it on its own. In addition, the cord is not that long. Moreover, as you can see there, the brick itself, it's too large, and if you put it in the middle, it will take two adjacent outlets. I would like it to be more like a regular radio plug that would actually fit. So basically, you have a box that's $50 compared with an oven that's $20. Okay, the oven has a very short cord as well, but for $20 you can put another 5 and get an extender or something of that nature. In addition, this box, you cannot keep it on all the time, and as I said, the timer is not great. The oven, you can keep it on all the time, but however, you can never feed the filament as you're 3D printing. With the Sunlu box, you can't. I had these for more than 6 months and I've been using them like crazy because they're still useful. I actually have 2 of these Sunlus and they've been helpful because, you know, it keeps the filament dry and you don't get the pops and the artifacts and the stringing on your PETG especially. The companies that make the ovens, they're benefiting from economies of scale because a lot more people buy these. However, for $20, all these parts that they need to be mangled into shape, it still seems like Sunlu is gouging the 3D printer enthusiasts. Actually, this oven has more benefits because you can keep it on all the time. You have the 2 dials right there and you can keep it on and you just put the filament in there or parts or what have you. And it has been serving me quite well. And I don't have to deal with the constantly pressing the buttons. In addition, these boxes, they don't have the portholes everywhere, like in the back, because sometimes you may need to put it adjacent to the 3D printer because reaching in the back, it's quite complex. Yeah, these guys, they just mangled something together. It's like, yeah, this should be enough for now. Well, fix your shit, man.